Welcome to our English speaking course. In this video, you'll learn to talk about your hobbies and about food using easy English sentences. A hobby is something you do for fun in your free time. For example, reading, drawing, etc. Hobbies make you happy and relaxed. Let's learn 10 sentences. 1. I like reading books. Repeat after me. I like reading books. 2. She enjoys painting. Let's say again. She enjoys painting. 3. He plays the guitar. Repeat after me. He plays the guitar. 4. They go cycling every evening. Repeat after me. They go cycling every evening. 5. I love dancing. Repeat after me. I love dancing. 6. My hobby is gardening. Repeat. My hobby is gardening. 7. He likes playing cricket. Say again. He likes playing cricket. 8. We enjoy watching movies. Say again. We enjoy watching movies. 9. She listens to music in her free time. Repeat after me. She listens to music in her free time. 10. I write short stories. Repeat after me. I write short stories. Now let's learn how to talk about food. Food is what we eat to stay healthy and strong. We eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day. We eat different types of food like fruits, vegetables, rice, bread, and snacks. Let's learn 10 common sentences about food. 1. I eat rice for lunch. Repeat after me. I eat rice for lunch. 2. She likes to eat fruits. Repeat after me. She likes to eat fruits. 3. He is drinking juice. Repeat. He is drinking juice. 4. We are cooking dinner. Say again. We are cooking dinner. 5. They love spicy food. Say again. They love spicy food. 6. My mother is making idli. Repeat. My mother is making idli. 7. I like dosa and chutney. Say again. I like dosa and chutney. 8. The food smells good. Repeat. The food smells good. 9. He eats with a spoon. Repeat. He eats with a spoon. 10. We drink milk in the morning. Repeat. We drink milk in the morning. Today we learned how to speak about food and hobby in English. Practice every day and build your confidence. Like, share and subscribe for more useful video.